How far now? Oh, but we just just day. What is it? Eh? Please come again. Are you joking? Wait. But let me understand you. You're making me breathe very fast. My heart is beating very fast now. Are you saying the money Emezi and Obiara sent to you, the whole money, it is gone? I don't get it. But you told us the company exists. Look, what do I tell these guys now? What do I tell them? You should have told me. You should have told me earlier. Do you know how much we're talking about? Over 2 billion naira. I don't die. Look, you don't kill me. You don't finish me. You don't finish me. These guys, they trusted me. These guys trusted me so much. No. Hello, Balogo. Please, that thing you said, please repeat it. I will calm down. Just calm down and repeat it, please. Because I feel like fainting right now. Wait. But Balogo, why didn't you tell me this whole thing was a scam? This guy. Balogo, you don't finish me. Don't finish me, Balogo. You don't finish me. You don't finish me. You don't finish me. Balogo, don't kill
me. That's why we have come. We need the money so that we can pay the workers in the community school.
We are very happy to meet you at home. Because your uncle, Maziz, thought he would be in Hong Kong by now.
My orders. Something bigger than the cricket has crept into its abode. But I'll send word across by the end of this month.
Ochile and Omego have promised to redeem their pledges tomorrow. And we need to start so that those projects can continue.
Aneliako, we wouldn't like anything to delay that project because we are bound to open that ultramodern market by December.
That's correct.
I hear you. I'll send word across. End of this month.
Okay then.
Let's go.
Over.
Emezi, why have you not been picking my calls all this while? Why?
Sit down, please.
Give me my money. I need my money.
Tony, I am sure that you heard what happened to me.
Emezi, whatever happened to you happened out of your carelessness. Where's my money? I need my money.
You'll get your money. I put this house up for sale. As soon as I get a good buyer, I'll call you in for your money.
Monsieur, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can even get you a buyer in the next 24 hours.
No. That will not be necessary. I'll get a buyer and you get your money.
Okay, no problem. If that's what you said, no problem. But what I need my money. I need my money. I need my money, Monsieur.
Who was that? I heard voices.
That was Tony. He wants his money.
You talked about somebody coming to buy the house. When is the person coming?
I don't know.
It's okay. I have this feeling that everything will be alright. Okay?
He gets plenty money. Your money is like river. Oko shimili, eko gadi agwagu. Child, makaneli agwagwa nabia. Your money don't put the enemies into confusion. Every day and night, these people know the sleep at all. For your case, Oshimilata taneli agwa. If you get the cash, spend it. Digital kwego, chupuka sikwegi. Yellow bulb, daka, no da digide. Aneli agwa, eko the man. He gets plenty money. Aneliako, they got the man. He gets plenty money. Aneliako, apato, Aneliako. If he get the cash, sipenda, digital kwegi, sibagi, chupuka sikwegi, yellow bulb, daka, na da digide. Aneliako, they got the man. He gets plenty money. Aneliako, they got the man. He gets plenty money. Aneliako, apato, Aneliako. People go to treat you better when you get money. They go they call you names because you nego deep. People go they treat you better because you get money. They go they praise your name because you nego dado. They go give you some titles to hold. Makizulu keme, you are equal to the task. They go they follow you anywhere you go. Makibonya for people boy ganyu.
Also, thank God I found you at home.
What is the problem?
At least can we go inside and talk?
No, I'm in a haste. I'm going somewhere. Why are you here?
So I don't know what has befallen us. Please, we really need your help. A lot has been happening to us. Everything we have is gone. Our money, everything. Biko.
Madam, go straight to the point. Why are you here?
Okay, I don't know if our son can stay with you until we fix up things. And if you can also help us with 2 million naira so that we don't lose our house. Biko.
You know, from the beginning, I don't want to have anything to do with you and that's your husband. When I came for you people for help, how much did your husband give me? Just 5 million naira. Then he gave the church 20 million naira.
So, I gave you 1 million naira on my own. Did I offend you in any way?
See, madam, I don't have time for argument. As you can see, I'm going out. Back in about, oh, come on, be going.
One making one, you know, poor madam.
Up one there, I'm going somewhere, I beg.
No, so I'm not asking
Sister,
you to dash us the money.
Sister, go. I beg. I don't get. I beg.
Evil people everywhere. Their heart is beating, so much bitter. They never forget things at all. They never forgive at all. They are for destruction. They are for killing. They are here to render you useless. Yeah, chop my two. Yeah, when you just when you chop my two. When you too much of jealousy, enviness,
Why are you walking so dejectedly? Where's your car?
What is it again you want this time?
No, Oluchi, you look worried. I hope everything is alright with you.
I don't know what's going on.
Talk to me, what is going on?
No. I don't know how many demons they have sent to us. It just feels like the world is crumbling on us.
Wait, how is your husband's business?
Terrible. Very bad.
Okay, you know what? Let's go to a place and sit down and talk about it.
Can you just stop this nonsense? You know that I am married. What is wrong with you?
Have I done anything wrong?
Well, the last time you asked us to talk, you started preaching love and all sort of nonsense, knowing full well that I am a married woman.
Oluchi, stop. You know what happened? That a Messiah broke my hand and took you away from me because of money.
Oh, well, that is in the past right now. You are married, and I would advise that you stop this nonsense.
No, I want you back. Yes, I want you back.
I am married. Does that sound like Spanish to you?
Oluchi, see, I'm not going to let go. I will wait for you to have your baby, and after that, I will come back for
Can you just stop?
Agent of Satan,
This life is just so bitter. There's nothing, absolutely nothing good about this life. One way or the other, a man must go through hell. It's just, what would I do? One time you have a table full of plenty, and the next second you become wretched, doomed, and even wanted. Oh God, why?
Baby, this is not the best time to sit down and cry. We need to do something as soon as possible. Run away, run to Oka or Enugu. You know how ruthless bank people can be when they come for their loan. Please, let us go.
No, I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to sit here and wait for them to come and arrest me. I'm not going to hide no more. I just need to sit and face my punishment for being stupid.
Love, please. Please, I beg you. Do this for me. Let us go. I don't want to go to jail, and I don't want you to go to jail either. Please. This is the only way out. At least for the moment, please.
I'm not running away. I'm not running away. I'm just going to be here. I'm not going to run away.
You're not running away?
I'm not.
You're not leaving? Don't worry. I can see you want to go to jail. But me, I am not ready to go to jail.
You say you're selling the car.
I know. No. Let's just talk about the house.
Okay. Well, I will pay you 5 million.
Please now. I understand that it's a distress sale, but come on, you cannot even buy this parking space for 5 million now. Please now, don't talk like this, my friend. Please, please. Okay, you know what? Hi. Okay, let's do 10. 10 million.
How about 7 million? Let me give you 7 million.
Please. This is a property we're talking about. We're not pricing fish. Please. Okay, you know what? So that we don't keep going back and forth.
Okay.
I can let it go for 8.
8.
Please. Let's shake hands on 8. Please.
Alright, I'll give you 8 million. Okay.
Thank you.
Can I give you a check?
Yes, you can write me a check, that's fine.
Alright, I think I have my check. Alright. So I'll just write it to you. Alright, so I got to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I want
see you
to
later.
ask you a favor.
And what is it?
Can my family and I stay here for another 2 weeks? You know, to afford us the time to find somewhere cheaper in town where we can move to. Please, it will not be more than 14 days, I promise you.
Well, that's not a problem. As long as you will leave after 2 weeks.
Oh yes, 2 weeks.
Alright.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Oh, nice to see you.
Thank you.
Alright, see you later.
I don't want story. I don't want story.
What is it? Now calm down.
See, Emezie, my money is not 8 million. So where is the balance of 8 million, 2 million?
I know I will give you 2 million naira. I know. I'm the one owing you. But you see this car here, I'm looking for a buyer for it. As soon as, just like I got a buyer for this house, as soon as I sell this, I give you 2 million.
Oh, Emezie, why are you doing this? You know my goods are in the wharf and I need to clear them. And I have demurrages to pay.
I know you have things to settle with money, but we're not fighting. I'm only owing you now.
Emezie, we're fighting, oh.
Please. Life does not end here, Tony. Remember, I'm going to find myself on my feet again someday, and I'll be nice to you. Remember that when I was in money, I gave you money. I helped you to start this business that you're running now that is making you so much money. I helped you.
Yes, you did. But what did you do when you became a billionaire? You left me, you overlooked me, and went to your first class friends.
I'm sorry. As soon as I find a buyer for this car, I'll make sales and I'll pull out 2 million and give to you. Please.
See, I'd rather sell it myself. In fact, let's do counterbalance. Let me take some of your money. Let me take one of your cars. So I will do two of those counterbalance.
Okay, so how much do you want to buy?
Well, I like the car somehow, but 2 million, just 2 million.
Eh?
Kine.
What? Look at the car you're pricing 2 million. It's a Range Rover.
Emezie.
I bought this car this year. Don't do this now. Eh? Give me 6. 6 is fine. Eh? I bought this car for my wife this year.
Emezie.
Tony.
See.
I know that life is hard on me, but don't make it worse now. You're supposed to be my friend. How can you be pricing? I bought this car for my wife on her birthday.
Well, in fact, let me just add 1 million.
I bought this car for you.
Let me just add 1 million for you.
What, you want to buy this car for 3 million? Tony, what kind of a friend are you? You're supposed to be my friend.
Are you selling this car or not? Or should I leave?
Life.
See, as I told you before, if you don't give me, you either give me my money or I will report you to my village oracle. And it will come to collect this by itself. So, are you selling it or are you giving me my money? Which one are you doing?
It's fine, no problem. Bring 3 million.
I don't know what you're saying. In fact, I'm coming. Let me go to my car.
How much is this?
That's 1 million.
Honey, if we're gonna this. It's fine. The car is yours.
Well, there's no problem. Tomorrow, I will send my boys to come and pick the car tomorrow.
No problem. That would also give me the time to do the paperwork for the car.
No problem. Take care of yourself.
Yes, hold up.
Where is your husband?
Oh, Mr. You're welcome.
Where is your husband?
He's inside.
Go and call him. Do fast. I don't have much time.
Yes.
Go and call your husband.
He's here.
My friend, how are you now?
Who's your friend? Where's my money?
Relax. I was about to call you this morning.
You were about to call me. Where is my money?
Look, I don't have any money right now. Okay, you know what Tunde did to me. He's your friend. You know the story.
I've told you countless times. Tunde is not my friend. Where's my money? See, if you don't give my money, I'm going to invite... You think I'm playing? Olas! What think I'm playing?
Don't do that thing here. Don't do that.
Get my money, you're wasting my time.
We'll get you your money.
Go,
Relax.
start going. You're wasting my time. Are you still there? Go fast.
I'll get your money.
I don't have much time. See this people low. All you can do, I'm all can score you.
It's fine. It's okay.
It's complete, right?
Yeah, the money is complete. That's it.
People will know how to borrow money, you don't know how to pay back. See, let me tell you, for this you have done, I'm going to invite the spirit of the ancestors to curse you that money will run away from your entire family. You are not going to have any money again. You people know how to borrow money, you don't know how to pay back.
But we paid you now.
You paid me for how long?
Well, we paid you now.
Stop saying that!
What's this problem now?
How much was that?
That's 500,000 now. He was the one that designed the website and did some other things.
Hi! This is not ordinary. There is definitely something wrong somewhere. This is not ordinary. So you just left.
Go down!
Who are you?
Where's the money?
What money? What
from you, Mr. Man? God.
What are you talking about?
Come get up! Where's the money?
We don't have any money.
No money. No
money!
Money, give him the money, give him the money.
Where's the money?
What did you say?
Give him the money.
You're wasting my time, Mr. Man. I have no time.
No. Please, don't do anything. He'll give you the money.
I'll give
Okay.
Move it!
Please, don't touch him. He'll give you the money, please.
That's the last one in this house! Hold strong, please. Hold strong.
I'm trying.
Hold strong. I beg you, hold strong.
I'm trying.
Please.
I'm trying.
Please.
I'm trying.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. You're fine.
Bring back my drink! Give me back my drink.
Evil people everywhere. Their heart is beating, so much beating.
Move this way.
They never forget things at all. They never forgive at all. They are for destruction. They are for killing. They are here to render you useless. Oh, oh, oh. They are jumping at you. They went to jail. When you are jumping at you. When you went to too much of jealousy, enviness, juligisio. Wanyamusu Ginanyo togi Gini kombelugi. What has he done to you? You have scattered his word. You have rendered him useless. In the Chakologoya Wanyamusu. Blood-sucking witch, blood-sucking wizard, everywhere. Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola. Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola.
Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me to?
I'm taking you home. You need to go home and have your shower.
Home. I was at home. And now you are taking me to the bush. Why? What have I done to you?
Can you stop? Can you stop? Look at people are watching us. You're embarrassing me. Please stop.
People are watching us. Well done, well done. Take me back to where I was. Take me back to my house. Take me back.
Please.
Let's go. I told you, you are making me uncomfortable.
Obiora, no, please.
You're embarrassing me.
You're the one embarrassing me. Please.
Okay. You take me back. You take me back home.
You need to have your shower. You need to take your shower. The way you're smelling.
Am I smelling? Take me home! Come and take me home!
You should have done something about the dream.
I swear I didn't know it was going to get to this. I didn't know.
What do you want me to do now? I mean, what are you saying? You should have forced your husband to do something about it. What do you want us to do now? My company have sacked me because of the loan I took from them. Obiora sold his house, thinking maybe we can use it to settle the loan. But no! We did not even pay half of it. This is not even enough.
Oma, I don't know what to do. My husband has resorted to selling his own properties. He has decided to sell the one at the Grand Estate and even one of his lands in the village. What else do we? I don't know.
Oh, I think we need to run away. Yes, that is the best thing to do. We have to run away. Because me, I'm not ready to receive any torture.
I'm not running away! I am not going anywhere!
I am not ready to receive any torture from the police. We need to go.
Oma, let's just calm down. I believe God will see us through. What else do you want me to say?
Did you say God? No, God would have seen us through if only you and your husband Mezie chose to do something about the dream.
I already told you. I told you I didn't know it would get to this. I didn't know.
The worst is, our wedding is in 2 weeks. And this whole thing is happening to us. I am shattered. What do I say? How do I don't even know how I'm feeling.
This world is a wicked place. You wouldn't believe that Nonso, who my husband single-handedly gave money to build his business, was not even willing to help me. Nonso practically walked me out of his compound. It's life.
Take me home! Come and take me home!
Hello, Balogo. Can you hear me? Please, you need to help me out. I don't want to die. These guys, they found out the truth. Mezie and Tobi, they found out that the whole deal was just a mess and scam. Please, you need to help me. I don't want to die. Balogo, I don't want to die. I don't even want my mother to find out that I'm involved in this whole mess. Please, help me. Since you say you're going to give me 10 million out of the whole money, you send it so I can find my way out. I can go to Ghana, I can go to Liberia, I can go to Togo, Niger, anywhere. I don't want to die. You know that guy Obiora is very harsh. He's been threatening my life. Please. Do you know I've been hiding in the toilet for a few days now? I've been hiding in the toilet. Please, you need to help me. Please. I'll be waiting for your call at the morning, please. What have I put myself into? God.
What is it? You don't look happy. What happened? Talk to me now. You are getting me worried. What happened?
What do you want me to say? I'm tired. Moye did not pay me a kobo. After within his life, Moye did not pay me a single dime.
Naginemeze, why?
After working for him, he now told me that there is no money, that his son is going to send the money from about next week. Next week!
Why are people like this?
For work that I have done, oh.
Eh? Oh, he knows that his son will send the money next week. On Wednesday, I get at the farmland and go and weed it. Why didn't he wait for his son to send the money before asking you to weed his farmland?
I'm tired.
Doesn't he know that you have a family?
I'm tired.
Ha!
As far as I'm concerned, I feel like I have bad luck. That's what I'm beginning to think. Because I don't understand why everything I do, trouble. I work for people. Is it that they are owing me or we end up fighting? Meanwhile, other people work for those same people, they'll just pay them.
Calm down. They say there is power in our tongue. This is not bad luck. It is not our portion. People are just wicked. But not to worry, everything will be fine.
When now? When? I worked for one. After working for one, you were there. He did not give me a dime. The other carpenter, the one down the road, got a contract at one site. Was I not the one helping him? For 4 whole days of my life, I was carrying wood, carrying plank, carrying iron, carrying stuff from his shop to site. Shop to site. Shop to, at the end, what did he tell me? Did he give me money? Did he give me money? And you say it's not bad luck?
Okay. We just need to keep hoping on God. We just need to keep praying. There is nothing else we can do.
But I have been praying now. I have been praying. Have I not read all the verses in the book of Psalms? I have been praying. You see me every day praying. What is following me?
Nothing. You know what? We'll just keep hoping on God to make things better for us. This is not bad luck. It is not our portion and will never be. Everything will be alright. Onam, Biko.
I'm getting tired.
Please. Don't be like this. Huh?
I'm getting tired.
Nambiko.
I'm not going to listen to this voice. I'm not going to listen to this voice asking me to take my life.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid it. Nambiko what? Biko. Don't even say that again.
I'm tired.
Don't say that. Biko. Biko.
I'm tired.
Hi.
Ochiloso, long life and prosperity.
He said,
More money. I got it a day.
and you could go Omego, guess who I saw today? I saw a Messiah in the farm. A Messiah. And I want to believe that that's what he does for a living now.
In the farm.
Yes.
I am not done with him yet. I will make him to beg in the market square. Okay, you already know. Nice. He will carry plate like this and be begging. Watch it.
Ochele. Ochele also. Hey! Hello, Mel. Dr. Samuel, please, there's an emergency in my house now. Start coming. Please. You are not in town. Hey, whoa. I think Sonny should be around. Sonny Billion, please, 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 where are you? I need you in my house right away. Mini la trili, omego nukweko. Eh? You are not in town. Hey! Oh, can't see Joe. I think I have to call the police. Yeah. Yeah, hello? 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 Somebody should talk to me now. Hello? Hello? Hey! Ochele. Ochele. Ochele also. Hi. How do I explain this? Onye kanga akolo. Onye kanga akolo. Hey!
Nana, look at it. Yeah. From that tree, see it? This tree there? No, the downside. You see that coconut tree? That that tallest tree behind. Yeah. Then it's that abandoned. This thing belongs to me. So I want you to be very careful about the weeding. So I don't spoil any of my cassava stems. Are you hearing me? Good. How much will it cost you to do the job?
For this almost 3 plots of land. Just give me 3,500, sir.
3 plots of land. Are you talking about? Are you want to tell me how many plots it is?
No, sir.
It's 1 plot of land. You want to do it as 1 plot?
It's 3 plots of land. It will take me 7 days to finish the job, sir.
7 days?
Yes, sir.
Will you be sleeping there 7 days?
Not at all, sir, but it's 3 plots of land. Look at this now. Even this plantain tree down to that cashew nut that I need to have a hand like this. Sir.
What's your final price?
Okay, Uncle Beggar, give me 2,500.
I'll give you 2,000. I'll give you 1,000 naira. Jesus. I'll give you 1,000 naira.
For 3 plots of land?
I like you.
Ha. Uncle Beggar, no. It's Uncle.
Nana, Emezi has offered to do it at 1,002.
1,002?
And I will not go anything up.
For 3 plots of land? Fine, you can go ahead and get Emezi and come and do it. I can't do it for 1,000 naira, sir.
So you will not go home and eat for free in your house? Huh? Roll! And take your money and support your parents.
I'm not working, sir.
Lazy boys of this generation. Look at them. They be really lazy about, looking for money to fall from heaven. Look at it. You are not putting anything there. You have no input to make. They just come and farm. Merely use their energy. That's what. We make 1,000 for your parents. Useless boy. Nonsense. Emezi, let him go on.
It has gotten to this extent that an area Uncle Emezi one no. Right from day one. I even gave me money about 2 months ago. It's now within a plot of land, almost 3 plots of land of 3,500 to 1,000 naira. I said it. I knew. I even tell my friend that the way Emezi is spending money, dashing out money, that this man is a ritualist. I know. And Iraq is a ritualist. The other time, he came back with Raka. You know, returned back and came back again with another car. Now, see where I landed himself to. I wonder how he take to the church project we even to the extent he came back begging to just with a 3 plots of land for 1,000 naira. Hello.
Thank God you are home. Hey, I met you well, though.
Good. Are you done with the wedding?
I'm done with everything. I decided to finish it today.
It's okay. I will go and inspect it later.
No, everything is perfect, though. You know me now. Everything is perfect.
I believe you. Then go where? Let me see you later.
No. Mazi, I came so that you can find me something.
Something like what?
Mazi, you know why I'm standing here. Money now, the money we agreed. The 1, 2.
Oh!
Yes.
It's alright, my dear. But the truth is that I don't have any 1 naira here. The truth is that I don't have any kobo. Now, I'm even planning to go and borrow money from somebody to make sure that I meet up with some issues.
Mas, you cannot tell me this now. My pregnant wife is at home. She's hungry. What is she going to eat?
I told you I don't have a dime on me. I even told you I want to go and borrow from somebody to meet up with some family issues. So you go. Whenever I'm ready, I will call you to come and collect your money. I'm not going to eat your money.
Okay, Mazi, please. Like I told you, there's no food in my house. Even if it's like 2 or 3 tubers of yam, let me go home. At least we'll find oil and salt and I'll just boil the yam and eat. I'm begging you.
Young man,
please.
The truth is I don't have any tuber of yam. No yam at all in this house. I don't have it. Please. Whatever, look, I will go and inspect the farm. I inspect it and make sure you did
Mazi, I'm
work.
begging you now, but you're eating. Have conscience now. You're eating rice. Even if it is like 2 derricks of rice, give me. Let me take to my wife. She can boil it and we just sprinkle oil and eat and cut vegetable and put inside. Please.
Even 1 cup of rice is not in this house now. All I'm assuring you is that your money will reach your hand. I will call and give you the money when I get it. You never know. But anyway, you can go back there. Go behind the house there. You will see one pot of water and drink. Drink a cup from there. Take it and hold your body.
Mas, you give me my money. Mas,
I have told you go to this. You don't believe me.
Forget what you told me. You will give me my money. Mas, please leave that food that you're eating and give me my money.
Oh, by force.
Mas, give my money. Mazi, give me my money so that a small boy will not embarrass you here. Give my money. Mazi, give me gum.
Don't try my temper.
Mazi, give my money.
Don't go home.
Mazi. Hey, Mazi, I'm not tall, I'm big like this for nothing. No, Mazi, give my money. I'm telling you.
Wait. And Charunu, can't you go? Look at it. 200 naira. I won't get my check. Let me go myself with this. Take it.
What is this? Out of
money!
1,200 naira.
I give you money.
Mas, give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Mas, give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money.
I'll give somebody.
Give my money.
I'll give somebody.
Give my money. Give my money.
I'll kill your nephew.
Give my money.
I will kill your nephew.
I got 3 plus of that for him. I got 3 plus of that. We agreed for 1,000. 1,200 naira.
I'm not even.
Is that what happened? What happened? What happened?
I was in my house.
Tell him to give my money. Tell him to give my money.
He was the one that came into my house. But he wants to weed my farm. I graciously allowed him to go and weed the farm. He now came back and asked the wife for the money. I said, no problem, I will pay you, but now I don't have money. Well, in fact, I was even trying to borrow money from somebody.
Mazi, he came to me and told me that he has 3 plots of land that he wants me to weed for him. That it will take like 3 or 4 days. I said, okay. We agreed that he will pay me 1,200 naira. Very small body. Very small body. Because of my condition, I still accepted it. Only for me to go to that piece of land. I decided to just impress him. I did all that job for just 1 day. I came here hoping that he would be so impressed. I said, okay, let me give you 2,000 naira. He now gave me 200 naira.
Hey!
I said that he does not know where he will give me the 1,000 naira.
Ask him whether he was not the one that came to me asking me that he wants to quit my farm.
But we had an agreement.
But I have no money now.
We had an agreement.
That is okay. My money. That's my own money. Okay, no problem. What? My money. He's taking my wait. Huh? He has rejected the money. You don't want to take the money. It's okay. He has rejected the money I gave to him. Therefore, let him go without anything. Right. But all I know is I will pay him 1,200 naira. That's the cost. But I will go there and inspect the farm first. I know how far you are.
What are you inspecting? I did a good job for you.
It's all right. Young man, you have just insulted me and I demand you take it back in full. Take it if you want to take it. Nonsense. So it's all right. Chimizo. Maya. Yeah, just go home. Mazi. Go home, I will come and see you. Mazi, warn him, oh! It's all right. Warn this one! I will see you. Go home.
Mazi, it's because of you.
It's all right.
Mazi, it's because of you. How can I work for somebody 1,200 and he decides to keep the 1,000 and give me 200? Is it fair?
It's not fair. Go home.
Adema.
Go home. Go home. Wait. I'll see you. Is this thing happening? So he came to my house, insulted me, and threw away my food. It's okay. I did everything. Hey! No. And I left you like that. You go home. I will bring you. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. All right. Nonsense. Want him when he reach home because he's very lucky. I would have finished him by Obika. Why did you say so?
How can you give a man 3 plots of farmland to wait for you for 1,200 naira? Apologia for 400 naira.
Since he returned from the city hopelessly, have you for one day given him 1 foot of land to clear?
I don't blame you.
Did you do that? You tried that? I
don't blame you.
I respect you because of your age. Huh? Okay, even cable. Mara, when you get home, let him celebrate it because he's very lucky. He's cheating though. Chiona Afonso. Muabo Bika, but the baby who for rights, baby Farina, and he's still wrecking. Oh, anyway, so no problem. That's what my day. That's what my day. You pay for all this.
Mazi,
I understand. Chelu, and Mother.
Is this how the world is? People are wicked. Is this how I'm gonna live my life? I'm losing my sanity.
Manage it.
I'm losing my sanity. Where will I start? I'm going dead everywhere. Who will save me? My life is shambles. Who will rescue me? I need the help. Oh, this suffering.
That was really fast though. I was expecting you to come maybe tomorrow or the after. Hey, Name, thank you. Oh,
the money. The money.
What money are you talking about?
Where's your husband?
I don't know where he is. What is wrong with you? Why are you asking after my husband?
Something happened.
Huh? Something happened to Mezie?
No. Something happened to us.
Who is us, Okwano? What are you saying?
The money disappeared.
You are still getting me confused. You haven't said anything. You not say money. Which money?
The money I made from selling of the clothes and the jewelries. It disappeared. I can't find it anymore. But I know I kept it there. I know I just kept it to ease myself. I can find it. I can't find the money. I can't find it. I can't find the money. I don't know what happened. It disappeared.